In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your YouTube videos to a blog post, and this is good if you're looking to repurpose your content, instead of creating separate YouTube videos and writing different blog posts. You can easily record a video, post it on YouTube, and then take the transcript of that and edit that and post that on your blog. And that's what I'll be showing you how to do today in this video. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm Ash. I help busy people create content, and let me show you how I do this. If you're wondering why Ali Abdal is in the thumbnail, because I assume I'm going to put his picture in the thumbnail, it's because it makes videos that can easily be made into blog posts, something like this: 5 high income skills students can learn in 2024. That's something that you could read a blog about. You could read a blog article about, you're destroying your mind, how to control dopamine. So because of the style of his videos, they can easily be made into blog posts. Now this already shows you that your content has to be something similar. If you're making a vlog of just maybe how your day went, I don't think that would necessarily make sense, when we're talking about SEO and having that on your blog, depending on the type of blog you run, though, so I understand that. But generally speaking, we are looking at content that provides some information or that teaches you something. And I think they do best, or they perform better when, they are repurposed. So let's take this for instance. How do we turn this into a blog post? I use a Chrome extension called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. It's made by Glasp and it's free, so you could download that and install that first from the Chrome Web Store. Once you have that, you click on the video and this comes up. This is the extension acting here, and all you have to do is, you don't even need to watch the video, you just need to click on this. But now I'm not showing you how to do this so that you can go and get the transcript of people's videos and use that. I'm showing you how to do this so that you can turn your own content, your own videos that you've made and you've published on YouTube, and you can upload them as a blog, So I'm going to be closing that and I'm going to go into my channel, because I want to show you that even when you have videos that are maybe your old videos that are now privated, or they are not published yet, or they are not available to the public yet, the transcript still works. The extension still brings up the transcript of that video. So as you can see, this video is privated, but I can still get the transcript of it. So this is my own video, this is my content. And if I was looking to turn this video into and publish it on my blog or on my website, as an article, the same step is what I will do here. So the transcripts, I just copy, move over to the blank Word document, and I paste. So after doing this, you already have the meat of the content, and the next thing to do is to clear and edit. You've already talked about everything in the video, and all you have to do now is just to edit this into something that's readable, which means clearing all the timestamps, adding punctuation, using doing everything you can do to make this readable. But we are in the age of AI and using tools like ChatGPT, so I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT basically to turn this into something readable and at the same time something you can use for your blog. Now, normally I won't advise you use ChatGPT to write your blog posts because Google prefers human content. But the difference in this case is that this is already something that you've spoken in your own words. You've recorded this video in your normal speaking style. ChatGPT is not generating this article from scratch. This is just you using ChatGPT or whatever AI tool you're using to edit this article and make it readable. There's a prompt I usually use, which is this: turn my video transcript into a blog post with subheadings, but I want you to use my words and not change them. Just format in a way that is readable and clear, and remove sentences that are repetitive. And all I have to do is copy this and paste it there, and then I have the transcripts. Can you see that? This blog post uses your words but is formatted for readability and clarity with repetitive sentences removed. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to adjust. And all I have to do now is copy this, go back to my Word document, clear all of this off, because, or you could open a new document or just do this below, paste it. And now there's still a little bit of work to do. I clear all this and then turn this into headers and the normal things you do to a blog post. But now can you be sure that ChatGPT actually used your own words? Now this is when you have to go through the article again and read what ChatGPT has written out for you. You also have to add in your links and make changes if you do not like what you see. But a quick way to just know if ChatGPT actually used your own words to edit your article is to look at the original and also look at what it says. So like for the beginning now, it says, "Hi, today we're talking about how to write about photos. In this episode, we're going to," now you see, because this is a blog post, we're changing this to "in this post" or "in this article," whichever works for you. We are going to consider why we should write about photos, the problems that come with writing about photos, and how we can actually do this. Now, this is what I said in the video. Today we're talking about how to write about photos, and in this episode, we're going to consider why we should write about photos, the problems that come with writing about photos, and how we can actually do this. So before we begin, I would just like to quickly differentiate that, or quickly point out that when we say writing about photos, it can come in different ways, different formats. You could be sharing a post on social media and you just want to write a caption about that photo. It could also be you writing a blog post about a paragraph, blah 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 blah. Now it's made it into a different subheading. When we say writing about photos, it can come in different ways and formats. Basically, the idea is you can see that it's used my own words. It didn't come up with generic words that I wouldn't use when talking, and it's just edited my transcript basically and turned it into a readable format, something that can be read, something that can be understood. So I might not be happy with this subheading. I might decide to remove it completely and make it one big intro. I can tweak it any way I want, but this just shows you how to do it. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it and you're considering outsourcing some part of your content creation process, there's a link in the description. Click on it and we can schedule a 15-minute call to talk about how I can help you with your content creation. See you in the next one. Bye.